All right, let's go. All right. Our goal is to break down. I need everybody looking here. The simple proportions for characters. Okay? So we're going to work with this model right here on the right, the red shoes. Love it. Love the pose. And you're going to see how cool, as I said to you always, the S pose is there, the contrapposto is there. We're going to break it down, okay? Now, these two here, one sec. These are on my website. You saw this already, right? You with me on this? Okay. I'm going to show you what's called the general model. Okay, general model is relative to you and not to me. Everybody has to have at some point in their lives, in this world of design, character design, your own general model, okay? When we took art class, one of the things they would teach us is the number of heads, okay? You with me on this? If I'm in a superhero, there are more heads. Baby, to whatever age you want, it changed. But the minute, folks, the minute the character is in a pose, we've lost our proportions in a way. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly just zoom in here and watch what I'm going to do, okay? Take a look. Here's the neutral pose. Okay, so to me, this is the neutral pose. You guys watching? Right here. So look at this division really quickly. Watch. 1, 2. There we go. Everyone here can do this. Watch. 1, 2. Pizza slice. Come on down. 1, 2. Pizza slice. Another version of our pizza slice. 1, 2. Neck, round, in, V. How's that? Because you're looking at it straight out of character. It doesn't matter male or female. We can use that. We can also take that circle, look, divide it. Instead of coming straight down, I want to accentuate the chin, for example. I may decide to go out more. Look, down the middle, another 1/3 of this. You can easily do that. See that? Okay, so far so good. Now, I'm going to get rid of this. Another thing. You've learned this from me already, okay? So if I look at this now, I'm going to make another layer quickly here. I have a cool pose. Look at that. There's an S pose right there, right? Some degree, maybe. Watch. 1, 2. Okay? Now watch this. 1, 2. You guys learned this in figure drawing class, did you not? On Fridays? We did this. It exists everywhere. So this helps. Also, you can start with just doing stuff like this. Now here's the cool part. Ready? This is very flat, right? It's very 2D. Pleasure, sir. Watch how I'm going to change it. All good. I'm going to make it 3D in a second. Ready? 2.5D. How's that sound? Fair? Watch. I said this to you guys way back when we were drawing cylinders. It's a rectangle shape. The minute I curve this, and I curve this here, I just made something look 2.5D. When in doubt, start with simple. 1, 2, Mr. Balian. Thank you. 3. Done. 1. But you want to make it 3D? Look. What we did here. See that? Remember I said to you guys the roof of the house? Right? What's wrong with that over here too? Look. Remember? There. So when you're trying to figure out what your character's appendages are, like for the body parts, you don't need to stylize anything. Keep it super, super, super simple. Okay? Remember I drew this earlier, right? 1, 2. Remember that? Look. 1, 2. Done. But we know the calf here is out. Look. And this comes in and out. Right? I'm going to go to the male character for a second. This is very important. So regarde ici, s'il vous plaît. That means look over here. Look. Same idea. Ready? 1. Roof of the house. Done. Shoulders are out a bit more. Okay, no problem, Balian. I got this. Here's the best part. You ready? When you are drawing your character, I'd like you to avoid symmetry. Avoid mirroring the body parts. Look at this. Most students, when they're drawing body parts, they will do this. Leg, knee. There you go. See how this is symmetrical? Avoid it. We've talked about this on Fridays. Look. High, low. High, low. So what I'll do is I'll just bring this down for a second. I'll reduce the opacity so you guys can see this. Okay? So look at this. Boom. Oh, I got to change layers. Hold on. Look how sweet that is. Right? It's there. You can just simply go, hey, for now, Mr. Balian, I'm good. 1, 2. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Right? How's that so far? Sounds good. All right, same thing. Get ready. Everyone does this for the arms. Same concept, different part of the body. Imagine, it makes sense, right? Check it out. Nobody needs to be this muscular, okay? No one. We don't need our characters to be like superheroes, like some Greek god right now. I don't know. So, I can simply just do this. Here you go. Watch this now. Okay? Come over here. Look how this is different. Look. Do you remember that high and the low business I'm talking about? It's there. Okay? So, let's try to avoid doing super this. Okay, so what I would do is just bring this. Now is the next word. You ready? This is the next one. Overlaps. Watch. Body part. Body part. Body part. Do you see any overlaps here? No. Right? If I add this, I need everybody looking here. If I add this here, there's still no overlap, Mr. Balian, but the minute I do this, look. Nice. Right? Here, notice this is low, this is high. Watch again. High, low, high, low. Cool? These are little things I'm looking for. These are the look-fors in your characters, okay? I'm going to say bye-bye to these. And we're going to go to our model for today. Watch this. Let's hope I got this. Here it is. First thing you learn in figure drawing with me is to start with the gesture, right? The overall movement, right? So if I'm over here right now and I'm going to make this random looking S. Random, super random. Then I'm going to say to myself, which way is the shoulder going? That way? Okay, that works. Which way is the hip going, Balian? I think it's going this way too. Okay. What's happening? Where's the head? Somewhere over here. Coming down here. Wherever your head is, there's got to be one leg that's holding you up. One of your two. Right? Watch. See this? This is called a plumb line in the construction class. You drop a line. This needs to be here, or else this person is falling. Right underneath. How's that sound to you? Okay? I'm going to undo so I can just do another version of it. Okay, so if I have the head going like this, remember the circle? Here, coming in. Okay. Now, another thing. This is really complex to understand. Her body's being contorted and it's being sent back a bit this way. So it's not going to be easy for us to figure that out. But I'm just going to put this here for me. Okay, so remember the parts, right? So what if I don't know what I'm doing? I'm just going to do this now. Look, one. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to do this. How's that? Was that hard? Folks, was that hard? No. You are drawing a rectangle.
Oh, no. I thought you were asking about like the whole...
Nope. Just saying rectangle. Look, 1, 2. You decide after. Okay, so there's some proportions going on here. So you got to say, oh, maybe I'll have my feet down here. Whatever. I don't want to do the measuring act, okay? You need to kind of look at it and go, huh, is this too short? Look, is this too short, yes or no? Where the foot is, yes or no? Yeah, okay, good. So maybe I'll move it down more, down here. Doesn't work, don't worry about it. Look, wipe it out, okay? Find the middle point and say, oh, somewhere here. Which way are the knees going? Oh, this way. Look, and I'm really exaggerating, okay? Look, boom, boom, right there. If one knee's here, so look, 1, 2, ready? 1, 2, and this one's a little lower. Oh, okay. If I have them lower, I'm already ahead of the game. You see it? Look at this angle here. I didn't put that in on purpose. That's something to keep an eye on, okay? How's that sound? Cool? Next. Okay, I have different models for you, but the way I was taught to do this, like here, when the arms are up, don't start from the top, start from the armpit, okay? So for example, I could go 1, 2. And then remember what I said, avoid symmetry. So if this elbow is here, I'm not going to do the same thing. I'm going to go a little higher here. 1, 2. And watch, pizza slice, right there, done. How's that? Cool? So when it comes to your character, you can do these things. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to reduce the opacity. Now I'm going to add the things you and I know how to do. And that is, oh yeah, something about egg shape. Okay, here's my egg shape. Here's my rib cage, okay? Landmark, V of the neck, bicycle handle, great. Belt line. Belt line is this. We know the A6, which is the iliac crest, is on here that comes down. So I'm going to just do this for you. Look, there. Right? There it is. Right here. Below this waistline is your landmark. Comes down. Sweet. Then, if you don't know what's going on here, just do your cylinder. Look, 1, 2. 1, 2, a little lower. Another one, a little lower. Have fun with it. Don't worry, make mistakes.